course, many people come to the Royal Welsh Show to see the prize-winning stock and visit the trade stands. But there is another side to the show, the dozens and dozens of stalls selling just about anything and everything.
Once you put the log in, make sure it's comfortable and apply the lock, spike it. Wait a minute. That's the best thing. Okay? Try a small one now, I think. Out, yeah? As long as it's got a spike. So you get a bite, yeah? That's the jumping one, but it's all part of working, you know? Isn't that heavy? It isn't that heavy.